Next message.
Met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot, you know this, you make it easy to blow this, you know this thing. Hurricane that ass for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked. I'm right, I know what I like. Sex tape selfie.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was missing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. Probably curse you out. Your girl only knew that I won't want to kick it with you. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, probably leave you alone. Probably curse you out and
Okay, this right here is what me being on go looks like. Like, when I tell you I don't want to do shit on Monday, I don't want to do shit on Monday. And I'm just moving. Like, even last night, I was just moving. I forgot where I parked the car because it's just I kept having to park it in different spots. And then the creepy dude I talked about one time, he licked his lips and that threw me off. And I'm like, I don't want to be walking close to you. So instinctively, because I was on guard, I was like, wait, did I park over here first before I go way around this corner and have to deal with this nigga? And thankfully I did that because he was invisible. Like, I didn't know where he went just that fast. So I was able to keep on go. And so yeah, had my towel already ready to go. And I know for a fact I did this because as soon as I saw, I was like, wait, yeah, I did grab my shit as soon as I tossed my shit. So yes, this is what on go is. So I can put this towel up.
That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. Shit, I'm still going.
So it's funny because This whole time I've been saying my radio is broken. And all of a sudden, guess what happens? I get a phone call from the dealership trying to tell me that it's actually the radio, which if I recall correctly, I specifically fucking said, I can't listen to my radio. I can't touch the screen. But one thing I did say is even though I can't touch the screen, I specifically said I've been having problems with my radio where it goes in and out. And even with my radio working now, it still goes in and motherfucking out. Even when I think about what I'm talking about my shit on camera, I specifically be saying my fucking radio. Literally. I've been saying this shit from the very fucking beginning. Like, this is the shit I'm talking about. Don't nobody want to fucking listen to me. But you think I should listen to you when I know what the fuck I'm talking about? You just trying to tell me what to fucking do. That's a motherfucking difference between you putting somebody on game versus you just trying to get somebody to do what you want them to do. That's where nobody wants to fucking listen. No one wants to listen because they think I don't know what I'm fucking talking about automatically. They just, all they hear is wah, 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 whether I'm in person or on the motherfucking phone. That's fucking annoying. But, baby, literally, before she could even finish saying what she wanted to say about the radio, I wanted to say, but that's what the fuck I've been saying. Like, literally, I stopped myself from catching that attitude. Like, I really did. I was like, no, keep on going. Because then once she finished, I was like, that's what I've been saying from the very beginning. No one's been listening to me. And even then, she didn't want to hear that shit. But guess what? Back door, and I had to repeat what I said. Because once again, she wasn't even listening. Oh my god, this gives me zombie apocalypse. It looks so fucking scary. It's right here, this turn, right here. Just gave me Before I pig out on my ghetto Chinese food, baby, that traffic that was on the main freeway was all because the HOV was fucking shut down. And it's so funny because when I tell you, people were pissed off that these motherfuckers caused all this traffic over something that had nothing to do with us. Like, HOV lane was literally shut down because a bus broke down on the HOV lane. That traffic, completely understandable. That's standstill traffic. But the traffic that was on the freeway, fucking unnecessary. Fucking unnecessary. Like, why are you causing traffic and what's going on over here ain't got shit to do with you, baby? I mean, I was pissed off, but baby, I didn't feel bad because it was multiple cars like pissed off. Like, it wasn't, you can tell they were pissed off that all this traffic was over something that had shit to do with us. So, It's so crazy. Like, because at first I was like, okay, you being a little dramatic. But then, literally, every time I turned around, there was a car zooming by. And when not just zooming by, just driving fast, but zooming by, like, pissed off that you made me sit in this shit. Like, people got places to be, places to go, like, people to see. You don't know what somebody has going on, and you causing traffic because you being nosy. Like, nigga, get on the fucking side of the freeway and stop and look if you really want to be that nosy, but don't cause traffic like that. Like, come on, people. Come on.
Come on, I'll give you some. I need some.
This right here is why my sister don't like me. Because this is me with my
You don't want
sister.
nothing? Buy your brother a truck. Let me get some money. I need some groceries. You want groceries? Come on, I'll give you some groceries.
Nigga, you can give me the money.
I'm not giving you no money. You want the groceries?
See?
You want the groceries or not?
All right,
See?
come on. Take me to the grocery store.
This my sister. She hated that shit when she tried to force my mama to make me spend my money on her when I was way over 18. That's my sister right there. And my mama. Both of them. This is my weekend cheat meal. It's been a minute since I've actually, like, pigged out on a cheat day. So I got my ghetto Chinese food and I got my cookies. I'm gonna put these in the freezer since they're big. That way, if I want a chocolate chip cookie or whatever, I got it in the freezer until my lazy ass actually makes me more cookie dough. This is their red velvet. I didn't like it, and I'm a little disappointed in the s'mores. When I first had s'mores, I loved it, but this go around, I'm like, it's a bust. And then, of course, I love the oatmeal raisin, and then, of course, more chocolate chip cookie, which I feel like I might not even eat these, so I might end up putting the chocolate chip in the freezer as well. And then this weekend at work, I'm gonna be eating the rest of the red velvet and the s'mores. And then tonight, we just having a regular chocolate chip cookie. And then later on down the line, I still gotta make brownies because I have a brownie order. So when I make that order, the rest of that is going in the freezer as well. So yeah, it's a sweet week, rightfully so, because my period just ended and she wasn't craving the shit until after the period. So we gotta give her junk food. Like, this is for the period because she wants it now. But I love the fact that, like, I don't even plan to eat all of this. Like, I love that for me, because really I be craving for some chocolate chip cookies every now and then. So this is this until I get my lazy ass up and make my own chocolate chip cookies.
I'm looking for, yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a Beamer. I don't want her.